What made you decide to go solar?
I just moved to Florida, and what is a better state than the Sunshine State to have solar, right? So pretty much you get sun 365 days in the year. I used to live in New Jersey where we get snow, we get bad weather. So when I moved to Florida, it was a no-brainer for me. So I wanted solar right away. Right away.
Right on. And what made you decide to choose Emerald Sun Energy?
So I did my homework. I did a lot of research. Being an industrial engineer, I'm very logical and rational. And also being a single mother with a medically complex child, I need to take smart decisions. So I did a lot of research. When Anthony, the owner of Emerald, came to my house to do my calculations and so on, I already went through about 6 companies and I knew what I was looking for. So as soon as I talked to him and I got to know him, I knew he was the right person for my system. So not only he has the same name as my son, he also was very knowledgeable. He was somebody that really told me things like they were. He was very honest. And he explained everything in detail. He was very patient to me. I can ask a lot of questions. So he was there patiently waiting. I also needed to get a new roof for my property that I bought here in Florida. And he waited for that. We did the right thing. He did the calculation perfectly to offset my bill 100%. So I think I really took the right decision going with Emerald Sun Energy. And he waited for that. We did the right thing. He did the calculation perfectly to offset my bill 100%. So I think I really took the right decision going with Emerald Sun Energy.
Great. And what was your bill before solar, and what is it now?
I was on an average. I did all my calculations. I took all my months. So I was on an average of 250 per month, and over 3,200 square feet is my house. So I was able to bring it down to my lawn for that solar panel. So I think I went from 250 average to about 175, which now I don't have to worry. I always have a credit, and I don't have to take a penny out of my pocket to pay the electrical bill.
And that 175, that includes the financing, right?
That's the financing,
Okay.
correct. So that's just my payment that I do every month to the financing company. I haven't paid OUC bill in a long time right now.
Right.
So I'm very happy about the decision that I did going with Emerald Sun Energy and also going solar.
Great. And what have they been like afterwards, whenever you need anything, customer service and anything else like that?
The best service ever, because the thing is, when you buy something and you pay and they get your money, they run away. They don't want to listen to you, any other company. With Emerald Sun Energy, Anthony and his sister Michelle, they always on top. I get my paperwork that I need. I did it the first year. I got my tax return form right sent to me. I just needed to take to my tax person. It has been great. I don't have any complaint about the service. I think it has been amazing.
Great.